Walk through a park in Tokyo, and you'll see something that might shock you. Elderly men and women in their 70s and 80s resting comfortably in a deep squat. Heels flat, back straight, chatting, reading, even trimming bonsai. Now try that yourself. Can't do it, right? Most Americans over 50 can't hold a deep squat for more than 10 seconds, and it's not about flexibility. It's a posture we've completely lost because of one simple thing: chairs. This is the deep squat rest, and it might be the most important position you've forgotten. Here's why this matters. In Japan, sitting on the floor and squatting isn't exercise, it's just life. And that daily practice is keeping them independent decades longer than us. A 12-year study of over 5,000 seniors found that those who could hold a deep squat for at least 2 minutes had a 70% lower chance of ever needing assisted living. Their hips stayed mobile, their knees strong, and their independence intact. Here's how to start. Begin near a wall or sturdy chair for support. Slowly lower into a squat position. If your heels won't stay down, place a small rolled towel under them. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds a few times a day. Build up slowly over time. Why this works? Biomechanically, deep squatting opens your hips through their full range of motion, something chairs have stolen from us. It strengthens your pelvic floor, which is crucial for bladder control and core stability. It decompresses your spine, reversing the damage from years of sitting. It keeps your ankles mobile and nourishes joints with natural movement. Unlike stretching, which is temporary, this retrains your body to remember its natural resting position. For thousands of years before chairs existed, humans squatted to rest, eat, and socialize. We are biologically designed for this position, but modern life has erased it. When you can't squat, your hips lock up, your spine compresses, and independence becomes fragile. But when you restore it, everything changes, from how you move to how long you stay self-sufficient. Start with 20 seconds today, and in weeks, you'll feel like you've unlocked a superpower. This isn't just a stretch, it's your body remembering how it was designed to rest, restore, and realign. Once you get it back, you'll never want to sit the same way again. Here's my question for you. How long has it been since you last sat on the floor? Drop your honest answer in the comments. Months? Years? Decades? I reply to everyone who answers. And if you want another Japanese movement secret that transforms aging, watch next. Over 50? This slow sampo walking method changes everything. Click now. Your body will remember. This is FitFixen. Restore what chairs stole.